told me to be on that screen and live inside each scene. Without a nickel to my name, hopped a bus, here I came. I could be brave or just insane, we'll have to see. Cause maybe in that sleepy town, he'll sit one day, the blinds are down, he'll see my face and think how he used to know me.
What's your view about all of us as a whole?
I'm going to do this. All of them are excited. They are very happy to see them. All of them smiling, they're happy, and they start cooking already, and they are very excited.